Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about adjectives and its different types. But before we get into this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. The main points that we are going to cover in this video is understanding what are adjectives, then understanding different forms of adjective, comparative and superlative adjectives, and then different types of adjectives. First of all, let's talk about what is an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a noun in greater detail. It modifies or describes a noun. It talks about quality of something which can be good or bad either. An adjective describes the kind, quantity or amount of something. For example, the flowers are beautiful. The adjective beautiful describes the subject flowers in this sentence. The second example is Rosa Maria has two gardens. The adjective two quantifies the noun gardens in the above sentence. Now let's talk about forms of adjectives. Adjectives have forms to indicate the degree of comparison. The comparative form compares two nouns or pronouns, while the superlative form compares three or more nouns or pronouns. There are basically three forms of adjective. The first one is positive form, second is comparative form, and the third one is superlative form. First of all, what is positive form? This is the base form of adjective and is used when no comparison is being made. It simply describes a noun. For example, the house is large. Now, the comparative form is used to compare two nouns or pronouns. In most cases, er is added to the base adjective or the word more is used before it. For example, the house is larger than the other one. The third form, which is superlative form, is used to compare three or more nouns or pronouns. Generally, est is added to the base adjective or the word most is used before it. For example, this is the largest house in the neighborhood. Now let's move on to different types of adjectives. The first one is descriptive adjectives. Descriptive adjectives are the most common type of adjectives. This kind of adjectives tells something about a noun by describing a quality or trait. For example, describing color of something such as red, blue, or describing shape like narrow, round, or appearance such as rough, tall, or clear. These are all descriptive adjectives. The second type is quantitative adjectives. They refer to the quantity of something. For example, 3 dogs, 1 chair. The next type is interrogative adjectives. They are used in sentences to ask questions about a noun. For example, whose book or which house. The next type is compound adjective. They are basically composed of two or more words to describe a noun. For example, blue-eyed, well-known. The next one is distributive adjectives. These refer to individual elements in a group or a set. For example, each student must participate. Each student in this sentence is distributive adjective. The next one is numerical adjectives. These denote numbers or the order of something. For example, she finished first in the race. Now finished first is an numerical adjective. Next one is indefinite adjectives. These refer to non-specific quantities or amounts. For example, many people attended the event. Many people in this sentence is indefinite adjectives. So there you have it, a complete breakdown of adjectives and its types. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, give it a big fat thumbs up and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.